Hey guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you some really neat iPhone tricks that you probably did not know exist, or things that your iPhone could do that you probably did not know about. So I want to start off with Apple Music. So let's say you're in Apple Music, you're listening to music, but there's a song that you played a few days back and you can't remember the name of the song. Well, right here on the bottom right, you find these three lines. You can tap into here and you see you're up next, what's going to play next. But if you scroll upwards, you actually see your history. So your music history, and you can go back and try to figure out which songs you played and replay that music on your iPhone. Now, another trick in Apple Music, if you're playing a song and you want to find a particular portion of a song more precisely than having to use the scroll bar here, what you can do is tap and hold on the fast forward button, and this will be more precise and find that particular portion of the song. And same thing works going backwards on the song. So really cool tricks there for Apple Music. Now, to edit the home screen on the iPhone for iOS 13, you have to press and hold, and then you get this menu here, this 3D touch menu that tells you edit home screen. And this allows you, of course, to then edit your home screen, move your icons around and rearrange them just like so. But did you know you can actually press and move the icon to actually go into edit mode a lot quicker? So press and hold feedback and then move it around. So once you feel that feedback from the Taptic engine, just go ahead and move the icon around and you can go into edit mode for the home screen. Let me show you. Instead of doing this and then this, all you have to do is simply tap and hold and move it just like so, and you can rearrange your icons on the home screen. Now in Safari, sometimes we have multiple tabs open. Did you know you can tap and hold and bring any tab to the forefront by simply moving it around? Same thing works on landscape mode. You can actually rearrange your tabs by simply going back like this, zooming backwards, tap and hold, and then move them around just like that. And of course, you can edit and search your tabs directly within this view as well. So pretty easy trick to rearranging your tabs in Safari. Now, if you speak more than one language, depending on which country you're from, for me, example, I'm from Puerto Rico, so I speak Spanish as well as English. Now, sometimes I like to read the news or take notes in Spanish. Sometimes I like to do that. Did you know you can set individual languages depending on the application? All you have to do is go to settings, and let's say here, notes, we want to change the language. We can go into language, and for that particular app, I can change the language to whatever I wish, as long as, of course, it is available for you. So there it is, Spanish, and I can set that language. And not every application has these language settings, but Safari and some of the default applications like Notes and some of these other apps do have the ability to change individual languages for applications. Now, if you're anything like me and you see your suggestions on Spotlight and you just hate seeing these suggestions here, all you have to do is tap and hold, and you can go ahead and remove these suggestions from Spotlight and they will not show again for you on the iPhone. So simply tap and hold and click the X and you can remove those Siri suggestions from Spotlight. And last but not least, I want to talk about photos. So let's say you have a photo album and you want to rearrange a particular image to go up or down the list here. So tap and hold, move it around just like we do on the home screen, and just place it anywhere you want. You can rearrange it. Now you can also move photos with this same concept by tapping on each photo and selecting them and moving them to whatever folder you wish by using two fingers, going into albums and rearranging them, dropping them into any of the albums that you have available here. As you can see, as long as you use two finger drops right here, you can go ahead and drop the images in any folder and rearrange your photos in any way or manner. And these are some iPhone tricks you probably didn't know exist. Let me know if you enjoy videos like this. Be sure to click the like button if you do. Let me know in the comments down below how many did you know, and if you learned anything from this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.